Creating an everyday makeup look is all about enhancing your natural features while keeping the overall appearance fresh, effortless, and suitable for daily wear. Enhanced, not changed. Light, simple, quick, and tailored to your preferences. Yes, certain oils can be used as primer since they hydrate skin and create a smooth base for makeup application. They also help temporarily fill in the lines and pores, providing a smoother canvas for foundation. It's a barrier between your skin and makeup, which is also beneficial for especially those with dry and sensitive skin. And a barrier helps prevent moisture loss and protect the skin from potential irritation caused by makeup. So you want to choose a shade of eyebrow pencil that matches with your eyebrow color for the most natural look. While a soft eyebrow pencil glides smoothly over the skin and allows for easy blending. To outline my eyebrow, I observe its natural curve. Using a pencil, I lightly sketch the basic shape of the eyebrow. Just observe how I do that with short light strokes to create that frame. This time around, I trim my eyebrows, which provides a clearer outline, making it easy and precise to fill in gaps or sparse areas with pencil. I think I'll show you how I do that in the near future. Trimming saves a lot of time. You quickly figure out your outline, and application becomes so easy and fast. I begin shading within the outline shape. Now notice emphasizing darker shading towards the outer edge of the eyebrow and then lighter shading towards the inner edge. Now you want to blend to create a smoother transition between the shades. Minimize any hard lines, clean up, and just make it look nice. Using concealer to frame out, also clean up and add dimension. Hands naturally generate heat, which helps to warm up the concealer, making it easier to blend seamlessly. It's faster and convenient, especially when you're on the floor. So this is my eyebrow routine for sparse to thin eyebrows. So I also did the same for a frame. Okay, my sponge is damp, which helps hydrate the skin and blend foundation more effectively. I think I'll link a video of how I damp the sponge. Here, of course, the moisture from the sponge gives the skin a dewy finish, perfect for achieving a fresh and radiant complexion. Its texture helps to blend foundation seamlessly into the skin without leaving streaks or brush marks. They are beginner-friendly, user-friendly, because they require minimal technique, simply dabbing across the face effortlessly. Concealer, conceal and highlight to lighten some of those dark areas and also subtly add structure and dimension. So another advantage of a sponge or this blender is its rounded edges can reach difficult areas. For example, under the eyes, around the nose. You could apply multiple thin layers and gradually build up coverage without looking overly heavy or thick. Close to the eyelid, I wiggle the wand slightly to deposit mascara at the roots. Then slowly comb the mascara wand through the lashes, moving upward towards the tips. Wiggle is a good technique where you go back and forth at the base of your lashes, which helps to deposit mascara evenly and coats each lash from root to tip, than simply swiping the mascara wand upward. I think it also gives volume and definition without necessarily weighing for the second layer of coating. And then for the lips, a bit of tinted lip gloss. Enhanced, not changed. Creating an everyday makeup look is all about enhancing your natural features while keeping the overall appearance fresh, effortless, and suitable for daily wear. Light, simple, quick, and tailored to your preferences.